Sofiyska Voda, part of Veolia Water, operates the largest wastewater treatment plant on the Balkan Peninsula in the northeastern suburbs of Sofia. It treats domestic water, stormwater and industrial water from a city which has over 1 million residents. The plant, which was equipped with facilities from the Soviet Union, was commissioned in 1984 by the municipality of Sofia. It has been modernized several times for over a quarter of a century. From the year 2000 to 2011 alone, 32 million leva has been invested in the plant. Implementing green solutions and complying with the Bulgarian legislation and the EU directives on wastewater treatment and sludge disposal are of strategic importance for Soфийска Вода. In the Kubratovo wastewater treatment plant, a cogeneration installation for combined generation of heat and power from biogas has been constructed, the saved carbon footprint being over €1 million per annum. Biogas is generated in the process of treatment of sludge. Because a large number of heavy industrial polluters have stopped functioning and the plant has been equipped with modern facilities, the wastewater from the city is returned purified to the river. Wastewater is treated at several stages. When the water enters the plant, coarse undissolved substances and sand are mechanically removed. After the mechanical treatment, what remains in the water is mainly dissolved chemical compounds, which are separated biologically. A consortium of organisms, activated sludge and oxygen are added to the water. The process imitates the incredible power of nature to decompose organic matter into simpler substances. In the plant, this process is accelerated many times, strictly controlled and environmentally friendly. In the process of biological treatment of wastewater, activated sludge enriched with microorganisms is used to decompose the organic pollutants in the wastewater. The condition of the metafauna of the activated sludge is observed through a microscope every day, the metafauna including crawling organisms contributing to water purification. Organisms of the metafauna indicate its condition and its capacity to efficiently and effectively decompose the organic matter entering the wastewater treatment plant in Kubratovo. The wastewater sector of the laboratory testing complex monitors every day the quality of wastewater, of which 24-hour composite samples are taken at the stages of treatment at the plant. The samples are tested as per the indicators set in Ordinance 6: chemical oxygen demand, biological oxygen demand, suspended solids, nitrogen and phosphorus, and about another 40 physico-chemical and microbiological indicators. With the 2011 introduction of the tertiary treatment stage in wastewater treatment plants, Sofia became one of the few European capitals in which the surplus nitrogen and phosphorus are removed from wastewater. Residual, primary and surplus sludge contains organic substances which are hazardous to the environment. In order to protect the soil, water and air, this sludge is processed and part of the organic substances are decomposed, mineralized and become harmless. Every day, about 400,000 cubic meters of treated water are discharged into the Iska River. Today, the river is slowly returning to life. Before it leaves the area of Sofia, the animal species which inhabit the Iska River are still a very small number and have adapted to living in polluted water. However, let's not forget that years ago they were extremely rare as well. During the hydrobiological sampling near Kubratovo, numerous individuals of only 2 species were recorded: water lice and leeches. The presence of leeches and water lice together is a sign that the water body contains a lot of dissolved organic matter. On the other hand, they are the first inhabitants after many years of lack of living organisms. These inhabitants will be the main food of other aquatic animals, such as fish or birds, which inhabit or will hopefully return soon in this part of the river. For waterfowl, like some species of ducks and geese, the Iska River near Sofia is another suitable area for breeding and wintering. Now it is not uncommon to see fishermen along the shores of the river Aniadiska Gorge, located only kilometers away from the plant. For nearly 50 years, the view has been forgotten by Sofia residents and people living along the river in this much-visited natural site. The river is coming back to life now. It depends only on us whether it will remain so, whether it will be fully recovered and whether it will be enjoyed by everyone along its shores, up to its confluence with the Danube. Sofiijska Voda of Veolia Water is working so that this dream, until recently, of the residents of the Bulgarian capital city could come true.